Welcome to DozoChem. This video covers converting between grams and number of atoms or molecules. In this first example, we're starting with grams and we want to get to number of atoms or molecules, but it turns out you're going to have to do this in two steps. So the first step is to go from grams to moles by dividing by the molar mass. And then once you're at moles, you can get to atoms or molecules by multiplying by Avogadro's number. So in this example, we start with 1.2 grams of nickel, and we're trying to figure out how many nickel atoms that is. So I know in the first step I'm going to need the molar mass of nickel, so I can find that on the periodic table, 58.69 grams per mole. So we know we're starting with grams and we're trying to get to moles in the first step, so we're going to divide by the molar mass, but we're going to show it as a conversion factor, writing 1 mole over 58.69 grams, because we want the grams to cancel out. So you're dividing by the molar mass there to get to moles. And once we have moles and we want number of atoms, we're going to multiply by Avogadro's number. But again, we're going to show it as a conversion factor with 1 mole on the bottom so that that cancels out, and then Avogadro's number on top. So if you do that and multiply out all the numbers and divide by 58.69, you will get the final answer for nickel atoms. Now let's go backwards. If you start with the number of atoms or molecules of a substance and you want the number of grams, it's going to be a two-step process again, but we're first going to divide by Avogadro's number to get to moles, and to go from moles to grams, we will multiply by the molar mass. So in this example, they give you the number of molecules of the substance, and we're trying to find the number of grams. So we know eventually we're going to need the molar mass, so we go to the periodic table and add up all the elements, and we get a molar mass of 60.07 grams per mole. So first step of the conversion is to go from molecules to moles, divide by Avogadro's number, but show it as a conversion factor, 1 mole over Avogadro's number of molecules, because you want the molecules to cancel out. Once we have moles and we want grams, we multiply by the molar mass, again shown as a conversion factor with the molar mass on top in grams and 1 mole on the bottom, so that moles cancel, and therefore you will end up with your final answer in grams. So that's it for this video. Good luck.